Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel an order on Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel or order on Doordash, you need to simply use the application or website. Now simply navigate to your order, and then once you have navigated to your order, you need to now find the option called help. So once you have tapped in the help option, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now from the drop down menu bar, simply choose the option called cancel order. Once you do this, you will be redirected to this interface where you need to give reason why did you cancel the order. Now simply give them a reason why you did so and hit the continue button. After you have hit the continue button, you will receive a message that your order was cancelled and some cancellation fee has also been issued on your original payment method. So this is how you can simply cancel an order on Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.